पूरी दुनिया में बताना चाहते हैं अपनी मज़लूमियत की कहानी, और उसका जो मकसद है वो किसी को बदनाम करना नहीं है। हम सिर्फ ये बताना चाह रहे हैं कि हम ये विक्टिम हैं और ये इससे पाकिस्तान का जो इमेज है वो बहुत बुरी तरह मुतासर हो रहा है। तो मैं अब इंग्लिश में इसको कहूँगा। थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर कमिंग टुडे। This press conference or this conversation, we are doing it just to apprise the world what is the status of human rights violation in Pakistan, and particularly BOL TV. We has been facing this situation for quite some time. Last year our President Nabil Jakura was kidnapped, and we had all the photographs, we have the evidence, we have the vehicle numbers, we even showed the pictures of those who kidnapped him, but no one paid attention to that. He was released after a few days. Nobody has asked question to those who kidnapped him. Then what we witnessed, what we experienced, there were vehicles, special vehicles which are called dalas in our language, Vigo small trucks. We all know who carries them. They were coming to surround the BOL buildings in Karachi. They were following our journalist, and they also went to the house of our co-chairman Shoaib Sheikh. Our finance people, marketing people were being followed, and at Karsas couple of weeks back our staff was stopped, but then they were allowed to go. 3 days back, Mr. Akash Ram, who is head of marketing department of BOL, some unknown people entered his house forcibly, and they dragged him out. They put him in that small truck and took him away. Besides that, they also picked up 3 more people. One was a cook, other was a guard, and then there was another guy who was picked up. He was caretaker of the building, 75-year-old, a patient of diabetes. We don't know whether he is getting his medicine or not. I decided to hold this press conference because when I heard the appeal of mother of Akash Ram, she was crying. It really touched my heart. She is a Hindu by religion. She was appealing to the Chief Justice. She was appealing to the army chief. And she was saying कि मुसलमानों, मैं आपको आपके अल्लाह का वास्ता देती हूँ कि मेरा बेटा मुझे लौटा दो।
हवाए नफ्स की है हुक्मरानी, लुटेरा कर रहा है पासबानी। बोल न्यूज के मार्केटिंग हेड आकाश राम ताहा लापता, तफ्तीशी इदारे जवाब देने से कासिर, अहले खाना परेशान, बेटे की जुदाई में माँ गम से निढाल।
जो बच्चो हिंदू हुआ पर आए थे जो को पाकिस्तानी, मुखे मेहरबानी करे पंजो आकाश वापस कयो।
हुकूमत से बेकसूर और मुहिब्बे वतन बेटे की बाजियाबी के लिए फरियाद, दुखियारी माँ की आवाम से दुआओं की अपील। जुल्म की एक और दास्तान, समी इब्राहिम और सिद्दीक जान का आकाश राम की बाजियाबी के लिए इंटरनेशनल मीडिया के लिए प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस का ऐलान। आखिर कब तक खुला रहेगा ये महाज? बोल रखेगा तमाम हकायक आवाम के सामने।
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।